Hello guys, this is Sijan the Great here. Today I am going to make a tutorial video on how to color and shade anime hair. For this I am going to be using Faber Castell pencil colors, but you can use any kind of colors you wish. I'll start by giving you some tips. Tip number 1. If you are not confident in coloring and not sure which colors to use, just make a few copies of your drawing. Practice on these copies and try out different combinations of colors and see which one works best. Tip number 2. If you make a mistake while coloring, you can always use an eraser to erase as well as lighten the color. You can also use the white color to soften it and mix it with another color. Tip number 3. Sharpen your pencils. These are the colors that I am going to use. I have included a scanned copy of the drawing so you can practice along with me if you like. First I'll take a light color and make outlines around the middle. The insides of the outlines will be completely white. Similarly, I'll outline some strand of hairs that will be completely white inside. Sorry if you can't see, because I am pressing very lightly. Next I am going to use these two colors and shade. I lightly colored the whole area pink. Leaving those outlined areas white. In darker areas, we first use the color red, just lightly. Under the light will be a bit of dark area, so red. You can also use deep pink, it's your choice. The parts around the forehead will be lighter, so I'll be using a lighter shade of this and white and the usual pink. First to color it pink, but very lightly. Now lightly use this color, especially at the middle, until it blends. As you can see, it now has a deep to light effect, which looks really nice. Then I'll be using this to slightly darken some place around the forehead. Finally, I'm going to use a few different colors around the bottom, mainly these three, but the principles are the same: one light color, one medium color, and a dark color.